Hello everyone, I'm Jen and I have a quick update on my Strathberry Lana Osette bucket bag. I know I did a video a few months back with an unboxing and I showed you what fits inside. And I have a bit of an update on the quality and wear and tear on the bag. And I haven't seen a ton of reviews on this purse or long-term updates or reviews. So I've owned this bag for only a few months. I've carried it exactly once. Most of the time it sits in the dust bag in a climate-controlled environment in my closet. And there are a few concerns I have that I just wanted to share with you if you are considering this purchase. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this bag pre-loved on Mercari. I did get a really good deal on it, so that's why I'm not super upset about this, but I do want to call attention to a couple things that I've just noticed. This is the vanilla tan version. It is super cute. I was really excited about this bag. It's got this really cute top handle and an adjustable, removable strap. And I just fell in love with the color. I live in Florida. It's very warm here. And I can carry this bag pretty much year round. But there are a couple things that I noticed that I'm a little bit disappointed in. The feet hardware on the bag, I thought these feet were very cute when I first got the bag. And I checked through my old footage and the bag was in perfect condition when I got it, as far as I can tell. I've only owned this bag again for a few months, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's already a little bit of like tarnishing or like, I don't know if these are rust spots. I have no idea. Let me know what you think below in the comments. But I was looking at my old footage and the hardware was in perfect condition when I got the bag. Also, I noticed these little marks or whatever they are before I even carried the bag for the first time. This happened while it was sitting in a dust bag in my closet, which is a little bit of a bummer, I'm not gonna lie. It's hard to tell with their reflection, but they're little like, almost like rust colored marks. And I don't know how they got there. The environment is not overly humid or anything like that. So that is one thing that I just wanted to kind of update you on because I was really excited about this bag. I think the quality overall, I thought it was really good. I think for the price, this bag is around $500 USD full price. There are some sales on them occasionally, some of the colors, or if you can find it on the secondhand market like I did. Another thing I wanted to point out, so I was cleaning the bag with a water wipe, and just with this latest incident, I would not recommend that. I would recommend like a dry or maybe like a slightly damp cloth, but I would not recommend you use anything overly wet on this bag because I don't know if this little, it's almost like a little tear in the finish on the leather, and it's right here. I'm not sure if this was there when I got the bag or if I did this when I was cleaning the bag with the wet wipe, but I was a little bit disappointed. Normally it's not really noticeable. It's only when you kind of stretch the leather or pull the leather that it's noticeable, but there's a little tiny tear here and I was like, ugh. So I'm trying to figure out if I can fix this. I was thinking about trying to get some Angelus leather paint and try to maybe mix a custom color. I don't know, to try to fix this. The only thing I'm worried about is this finish on the vanilla part of the bag is somewhat matte. I'm trying to figure out fixes. If you have any suggestions, let me know down below in the comments. But as a new owner of this bag, those little issues are something I think people should know, to be honest, especially if you're going to pay full price for this bag, which I did not. I'm not like unhappy with Strathberry or anything like that because I did get a really good deal. I paid with shipping and tax, I paid about $250 for this bag, which is about half price. So I really can't be too, upset about it if you get my drift. But I just wanted to update you. But if you own this bag or if you're thinking about getting a Strathberry, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Anyways, I'm Jen and I'll see you again in the next video.